He lives next to me. هغه زما په گاوند کې اوسیږي. He lives next to me. He felt very lonely. هغه ځان ډیر بې اسري محسوس کو. He felt very lonely. He seems to be rich. هغه ډیر مالدار ښکاري. He seems to be rich. He'll get well soon. زر ده چې هغه به ټیک شي. He'll get well soon. He's in a bad state. د هغه حالت خراب دی. He's in a bad state. How about the taste? او خوند څنګه دی. How about the taste? How did you make it? تا دا څنګه جوړ کو. How did you make it? I bought an old car. ما یو پخوانی ګاډی واغست. I bought an old car. I did not understand. زه پوه نه شوم. I did not understand. I don't like summer. زما د ګرمۍ موسم خوښ نه دی. I don't like summer. I forgot to ask him. زمانه د هغه پوښتل هیر شو. I forgot to ask him. I hate taking risks. زما خطر اخیستل بدی شي. I hate taking risks. I haven't eaten yet. ما لا اوسه پورې نه دي خوړلي. I haven't eaten yet. I know what that is. ما ته پته ده چې هغه څه دی. I know what that is. I tried to tell you. ما تا ته د ویلو هڅه کړې وه. هڅه یعنی کوشش. I tried to tell you. I want to marry her. زه د هغې سره واده کول غواړم. I want to marry her. I wanted her to win. ما غوښتل چې هغه وګټي. I wanted her to win. I'd like to see her. زه هغه لیده غواړم. I'd like to see her. I'd like to meet her. زه د هغې سره میلاوېده غواړم. I'd like to meet her. I'll be back at 10. زه به په 10 بجې واپس راشم. I'll be back at 10. I'll bring the tea. زه به چای راوړم. I'll bring the tea. I have already called. ما فون کړی دی. I have already called. I have lost my ticket. زما ټیکټ ورک شوی دی. I have lost my ticket. He is hard to please. هغه خوشحالول ډیر ګران دی. He is hard to please. He is in poor health. د هغه صحت خراب دی. He is in poor health. He married for money. هغه د پیسو د پاره واده وکړو. He married for money. He wanted to succeed. هغه کامیابېده غوښتو. He wanted to succeed. I agree to this plan. زه د دې منصوبې سره اتفاق کوم. I agree to this plan. It is true. دا رښتیا دی. It is true. Who is he? هغه څوک دی. Who is he? Are you angry with me? آیا ته مانه خفه یې؟ Are you angry with me? I think. ما ته ښکاري. I think. You are making me fight him. ته ما هغه سره جنګی. You are making me fight him. He makes me right. هغه مانه د لیکلو کار اخلي. He makes me write. He makes me work. هغه مانه کار اخلي. He makes me work. Put the clothes to dry. جامې وچېدو ته کېږدوه. Put the clothes to dry. Peel up the potatoes. الوګان سپین کا. Peel up the potatoes. The station is nearby. اډه خوا کې ده. یا تاسو داسې هم ویلی شئ اډه نږدې ده. The station is nearby. They missed the train. هغوی ریل ګاډی خطا کو. They missed the train. What an exciting game. څه دلچسپ لوبه ده. What an exciting game. What you say is right. ته چې څه وایې صحیح دي. What you say is right. Your hair is too long. ستا ویښته ډېر اوږده دي. Your hair is too long. Don't get me wrong. ما غلط مه ګڼه. Don't get me wrong. Did you read it at all? آیا ټول دی پڑھاو کو. Did you read it at all? Don't ask me for money. ما نه پیسې مه غواړه. Don't ask me for money. Don't say such a thing. داسې خبرې مه کوه. Don't say such a thing. He can't run very fast. هغه تیزه منډه نشي وهلی. He can't run very fast. He earns a good salary. هغه ښه ګټه وټکوي. He earns a good salary. He will soon come back. زر ده چې هغه به واپس راشي. He will soon come back. I asked him to do that. ما هغه ته د دغې کولو ویلي وو. I asked him to do that. I don't want your pity. زما ستا رحم نه دی پکار. I don't want your pity. I prefer coffee to tea. د چای نه مې قهوه ډېره خوښه ده. I prefer coffee to tea. I still don't know. ما ته اوس هم پته نشته. I still don't know. I want to do it myself. زه دا پخپله کول غواړم. I want to do it myself. I wasn't fired. I quit. زه د نوکرۍ نه وښکلی نه شوم. ما پخپله نوکري پرېښوده. I wasn't fired. I quit. This may be true. کیدای شي چې دا خبره صحیح. This may be true. I'll make a phone call. زه به فون وکم. I'll make a phone call. I'm thinking about you. زه ستا باره کې سوچ کوم. I'm thinking about you. Is anyone absent today? آیا نن څوک غیر حاضر دی. Is anyone absent today? It is difficult for me. دا ما د پاره ګران دی. It is difficult for me. Mind your own business. د خپل کار سره کار ساته. Mind your own business. My father is very nice. زما پلار ډیر ښه دی. My father is very nice. My stomach is growling. په هیټه کې مې ګډبډ دی. My stomach is growling. Shall I clean the room? آیا زه کمره پاکه کم. Shall I clean the room? She always wears black dress. هغه تل تور لباس اغوندي. تل یعنی همیشه. She always wears black dress. She has a gentle heart. هغه نرم زړه واله ده. She has a gentle heart. She is a wealthy woman. هغه ډیره مالداره ښځه ده. She is a wealthy woman. She married a rich man. هغې د مالداره سړي سره واده وکړو. She married a rich man. Make the bed. کټ سم کا. Make the bed. or prepare the bed. کټ سم کا. Prepare the bed. Understand the delicacy of time. د وخت په نعمت پوه شه. Understand the delicacy of time. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.